Oh, this is funny.
What a bunch of retards.
That's what I'm saying.
He's hit the car.
She's crying. What a dude. What a dick.
Someone go save the day.
Oh, wow. This is really...
Turn your wheel away from this goddamn car.
Oh.
But don't make this shit. Get the hell out of here, lady.
Yeah.
Get the hell away from her. Wake up. Don't borrow trouble. Go. You don't belong coming in this way.
Too
Hurry up and get the
stubborn,
hell
bro.
in here before somebody raises hell with you. You fucking people are fucking crazy.
This is awesome.
Fucking retards. Hey, argue some goddamn more.
He might try to run you over, man. Guy's vicious. Watch out.
Solve that problem.
Exactly.
Thank you.
So did you go to the post office?
Yeah, somewhere at the post office.
Oh, wow.